How to turn off comments notifications on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off comments notifications on TikTok mobile. First, then open TikTok and now click profile, and here in the top corner you will find these three lines. Click on it and then click settings and privacy, and now scroll down until you find push notifications, and here you will find comments. If you want to turn it off, all you need to do is just click on it and now go back. It will be saved, and as you see, that's how to turn off comments notifications on TikTok mobile, and it's easy, of course. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.